Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn about summation notation. You're going to understand the sigma notation and how to use it. Now here, this symbol is what we call sigma. And what does it mean? It means that you're going to add all the terms. Okay, look at this given here. So there's a letter there, N, and this one is I, or what we call the index, and equal to 1, which means that it's the index and that's the lower limit or what we call the start. And the end there is what we call the upper limit or the end. And this one here is what we call the rule. It means it tells you what to do. Okay? So ito yung nagsasabi kung anong gagawin natin, paano natin ipi-perform. Okay, now read as the summation of x, and that is from 1 to n. So we need to pay attention the starting and the end here. Okay, let's have an example for that para mas maliwanag. Here, let's evaluate the following summation notation. So number 1, we have here, look at the index here, start from 1, and the value of n here, 4. So it means this is now the rule, the expression. So what are we going to do is simply, papalitan nyo lang ng 1 itong I dito kasi magsisimula ka sa 1. At ito ang magsasabi kung ilan lahat ang terms. So mag-end ka sa 4. It means 4 terms lahat ang i-add mo. Okay, it means that is equal to 2 times 1. Look at this one. So just copy this constant here and I, instead of I, you need to change it here. Change it to 1. And then plus, again, 2 times 2. Okay? Again, starts from 1. It means the next value of I would be 2, the next would be 3, the next would be 4, up to 4. So plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. And then what are you going to do is simply perform this one first. Simplify. So that is now, that is equal to 2. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. And then 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. And 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Then add all of this, and that is equal to 20. Okay, so very easy, right? So ganun lang kadali. Titingnan nyo lang kung ano yung start ng number na ipapalit nyo at ano yung end dito. Okay, here, look at this one. We have, the rule is I squared, and start with 1, ends with this 5. So it means there are 5 terms here. So I squared means starts with 1, which means 1 squared. Plus, so I again now is 2, that is 2 squared. And then I is 3, so 3 squared. Then I is 4, 4 squared. And I is 5, 5 squared. Okay, so up to that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, or up to 5 here. Now, just simplify now this one. 1 squared, that is equal to 1. 1 times 1. 2 squared means 2 times 2, that is 4. And 3 squared means 3 times 3, that is 9. And then 4 squared means 4 times 4, that is 16. And then 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25. Then you just add all of this. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. 13 plus 16, that is now equal to 55. Next. Okay, look at this one. So here we have k plus 2, and the start here, value of k, because actually you can use any letters. You can use, instead of I, you can use letter k, or you can use letter n, or you can use letter x. You just need to pay attention for this. So k plus 2, wherein k starts from 3 and then ends here at 7. So that should be 3 plus 2. That should be the first term. Plus, add the second term, instead of 3, 4. So 4 plus 2. And then, next is 5 plus 2. And then next is 6 plus 2. And then 7 plus 2. Okay, so how many terms all in all from 3 to 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then you just perform this one first. That is 3 plus 2, that is 5. And then 4 plus 2, that is 6, so plus 6. 5 plus 2, that is 7. 6 plus 2, that is 8. And then 7 plus 2, that is 9. And add all of this, and that is equal to 35. Okay, now look at number 4 here. 2k over k minus 1. And again, k, or the lower limit, or the start of the value of k is 2, and then ends with this end value of 5. Okay, so now 2 times 2. That's the numerator divided by the value of k again is 2. So that is 2 minus 1. Okay, then plus, we're just going to expand first. Ganun lang muna gagawin natin. Expand muna natin lahat. Substitute natin yung value. Okay, then we have now here 3 minus 1 plus, that is 2 times 4, and that is 4 minus 1. Then we have 2 times 5, then 5 minus 1. Okay, then simplify the numerator. This one is 2 times 2, 4, 4, and this is 2 minus 1, and that is 1. 4 divided by 1, that is 4. So we have 4 there. Okay, plus, here, that is 6, and 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Okay, here we have 8. So 2 times 4, that is 8. 4 times 1 is 3. So that is 8 over 3. So plus 8 over 3. Okay, then here we have 2 times 5, that is 10. Then 5 minus 1, 4. So 10 over 4. Okay, so now you're going to add this. Look at this one. So you're adding now fraction. So what are we going to do? Understood that there is 1 here as denominator, 1 denominator. Now, you need to find the LCD now. Very easy, that is 12. Okay, so the LCD now, or the number that you're going to divide to as the dividend of all of this divisor is 12. So then 12 divided by 1, so 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 times 4, that is 48. So 48 plus. Next is 12 divided by 1, that is 12 times 3. 12 times 3, that is 36. Next, 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 4 times 8, that is 32. So plus 32. And then 12 divided by 4, that's 3 times 10, that is 30. So plus 30. And then you're just going to add all the numerators. And that is equal to, let's have it here, 146 over 12. And then you can reduce that to lowest term by 2 only. 146 divided by 2, that is 73. And 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So let's have that here. So that is now the value. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!